It's Goldie Rule. It's just a little something for the lost souls that's out there. It's been going through some things. Put it like going through some things. How many days? How many nights? How many days? How many nights? How many nights? How many days? How many nights? How many nights? How many nights? This girl, I rock your world, and I give it to you slow. I be that pussy, when I roll up on the draw. I give it to you skippy with that peanut butter flow. You know you got respect, girl, you know you're not a hoe. I work you to the bed, and I beat you to the floor. You're catching up first, cause I'm all about my dough. I'm diving head first, trying to get it in my nose. I've been pimping in this game, just like a pimp supposed. How many days and how many nights? How many girls, black, foreign, and white? You know how we do. Smoking free in the player's room. How many days? How many nights? How many girls, black, foreign, and white? You know how we do. Smoking free in the player's room. Girl, I ain't tryna lie to ya. I just wanna tell you the truth. Can I vibe with you? I know you've been going through some things. I know you've been fucking with some lames, but I'm the type of nigga that'll come around and don't pay for change. I just wanna love your body right. Just want you to have all orgasms. On my walk plasms. Back to back, I give you Cadillacs. I give you long strokes. I give you long strokes. I give you long chokes. But you love it. Yo, man, you said fuck 'em. And I don't blame you. I know you don't like strangers, but I had to give you some of this strange, and I had to be in your brain. I know sometimes you know the words be too smooth from a poet, but I got your pussy pouring and pouring. It's so wet, we call it more wet, baby. I know you really want me. You more than welcome to come to the players' room. Fuck what they say and what they say to whom. It's been a minute for a long time. Let's change it up. We can do what we do, baby. I know you wanna fuck. It's okay, it's gonna be alright. And I'ma have you screaming my name all night, all night, all night, all night. All night, all night, all night. How many days? How many nights? How many girls, black, foreign, and white? You know how we do. Smoking free in the player's room. Baby, it's gonna be okay. You can leave your pain astray, save for another day. But right now you don't need it. Just drop them stones and reveal them titties. I wanna see that cleavage. It's okay, we can do what you like all day long and all day night. It's okay what you say, and every day it's gonna be alright. When you got me, you ain't wanna stop. When you got me, you gon' wanna come. When you got me, you gon' wanna come back to back, and you ain't gon' wanna run. You can get used to the pain. It's okay, I got you.